Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. We are continuing our journey through the Mage class. As you can see, I am trying to kill the boss Plantona. We got the Pixie over here, Pixie quest. Now we just need to kill it. Let's put on AFK. Oh, there we go. Chefe Mundial Plantona. See if we can do it. Make sure we don't have any skills on. Auto attack. Only skill that I have on is the one that increases attack speed by 180. Let's bring down this bad boy. Let's see if it works. Yes. We can see the other monsters. Finally. Okay. Let's make sure we got auto attack. Got the skill on. Make sure we got that. Let's see if we can do it. The biggest problem with this boss is it recovers 45% of HP every 2 seconds. It's an insane buff. I don't know what they were thinking, really. You know what? At least we can see the boss now. At least we can do it. It's the bug is no more, so we can now finally get the pixie sooner or later. It is unfortunate that we cannot we can't kill it yet. Hold on. Oh. Yeah, we might need more people on. It's unfortunate. It really is. That's okay. Need at least maybe 2 or 3 people on. Well, you know, getting people online is in this game, especially in a server like mine, it's maybe once in a blue moon we get one. And say hello, and then we miss them. It's a hit and miss with this. Oh, we can get it to half of HP, but it won't budge even towards that. Let's see if we can do it faster. We increase the attack speed. Hmm. I'm trying to use the HP skill. Let's see. Let's see if that does anything. Taking it out. Okay. So now we know. 2 or 3 more people. If anybody is watching my videos and maybe plays this server, come on and help me out. That'd be great. I'll give you some gold, I guess. Really wonderful to get some more help over here. Anyhow, it's not gonna budge. It won't go beyond half. I need more people on. Let's see. Right. Got to level 150. Now we could use the 100,000 crystal cards that we received from the first purchase. We're at 400,000 already, and also we got this over here. It gives us another 100,000, and I believe this over here, which could be used to exchange for another type of what's it called? The frag relic. So you can see I already claimed it, so it doesn't really matter anymore. At least we know the Plantona can be, battled right now. At least that's awesome to hear. That's awesome. We'll get the pixie sooner or later. That's all right. Server population is a huge problem. Well, that's okay. Hopefully one day it emerges or some more people get online, I guess, to defeat Plantona, and hopefully I'll be on at that time. Let's see. I was thinking of going through the ice path over here. Go into the ice. Has some pretty good skills. And the ice path has some pretty good skills, in my opinion. The stunt is a one. The stunt. Where's the stunt? This is a pushback, I believe. Yeah, a pushback skill. The stunt is over here. 3, 3.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4, 5 seconds. But it's an AoE as well. This one, I believe, induces a black hole, invokes a black hole in an area, causing damage, and sucks all the enemy towards the center. A control skill. Okay. It's nice. Wouldn't be a bad idea to fiddle around with that. We can fiddle around with this. It's a good day today. Plantona bug is fixed. People can finally get their pixie. It's fucking awesome. I'm really proud of Game Soul. You know, took them a while, but at least they did something. Well, let's continue on the intellect tree, and we're in out. Yep. Let's see. Unfortunately, my dragon sword expired, so don't have any more of that. Oh, hold on a second. Let's I need to transfer some things from my lug. So just give me a moment, guys. Fortunately, I cannot let anybody see my email. And we're back. Right. There we go. That's why I love OBS. More control of the video now. The archers as awesome as always. It's fucking awesome. 106. What are we trading in? No, not this. Oh. Oh, right. Right. Damn. That's alright. Was it this? Oh, it won't be nice. Yeah, you can't transfer that. It'll be crazy for that. People be crazy for that. I don't know what we could do. They're bound. They're bound. Yeah. Right. I wanted to up my I don't know if I have enough. Can't trade that, can't trade that. I think I forgot something. There we go. The relic. Separate. There we go. Anybody killed me yet? No? Server's so dead, nobody plays Vidalia anymore. Everybody That was embarrassing. Just giving my little mage a push. Giving a little push, you know. Fucking Archer is always so fucking cool. But I'm having a lot of fun with the mage. Lots of fun with the mage. Need to use this. That's for the XP. There we go. That's what we need. I need to be a regent in order to use it though. Because with this, we can get the Infinity Gauntlet. But Infinity Gauntlet, you need Emperor. At least we get a little bit more attack speed. Let's see how we look. Come on. Anyways, let's just save it for now. We got to level 150. Now what we need to do is focus on getting the cape. And then afterwards, I believe we're working on to... We need to... Working on to the getting the level 150 gear. What the hell is it? There we go. Getting the level 150 gear. As you guys noticed, I haven't done Chamber of Fate in a while. About 2 days so far. So I am planning on doing it in the next few days. I'm planning on doing 100 rooms. 150 to 100. Yep. What else am I gonna do? You know what I've been wondering? You know what I could have done? Instead of wasting it all on fucking keys, I could have spent it on one of these fucking avatars. I totally regret not doing that. And whoever fucking watches my videos, make sure you get this bullshit beforehand. Cause don't miss it like me. It's gonna say an idiot, but you know, I just forgot about it. Love this one. My favorite pet. That's his skill over here. This one, I believe. There's a 1% chance of stunning the target for 10 seconds. That's fucking OP as fuck. Even though it might not last 10 seconds because they got the soul skill of removing negative status. But that's fine. That's fine. This is the pet I want. Not too flashy, got good skill. It's not as strong as the other one, the new ones, but does the job, I guess. Well, let's see. Let's try to see how far we can go. Because I want to get better gear. In case you wanna, you know, hurry up a little bit. The gear you can exchange it with this. So far, Hold on. There we go. Because I've been missing 25k from reaching Castellane. There we go. What we get? Nice. We definitely need all that. All those runes, everything. Nope. Don't need that right now. But I'll guard it. Yep. We need this. This stellar systems. Wings. Yes. Gems. Okay. Okay. Because I've been have too many of my ways to use, so I need to set 11. See what we need. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother fucking Dragon Crystal into this until plus 11. Fuck that. I only plus 12. Do we even have enough? Phantasma? Not sure. Oh, no, we do not. Unfortunate. How unfortunate. That's okay. Let's see how much we're missing. Yeah, we don't have enough. We're gonna have to wait. That's perfect. Let's open these bad boys up. Get some honor fruits. Will it be enough honor fruits? Don't know. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to use the ether wings. Do we have enough for elector? Elector? Not sure what translation of that is. Hopefully it's enough. Let's use the packs. Okay, so barely made it to quarter of 500. Okay, let's see. See, we got enough. It's called metals to exchange it for the equipment. Savage set may say sacerdote, but that's not sacerdote. What we're basically doing is upgrading each and every one of them to the purple gear. And as always, the one you lack the most is the bronze metals, because they're the one with the biggest quantity of it. They're also the easiest to get as well, in case you're doing this free to play. Moving on to the purple gear. Looks like we may have enough. Maybe. Now we need to get the purple, the other one, which is gonna be the Matador. Yeah, we don't have enough. As you can see, we don't have to go through green, blue, yellow all over again. We can just skip to purple. And then, fortunately, we don't have enough. It's always going to be like this, unfortunately. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get a couple more packs. Since we're already deep balls into this, might as well go all the way. We might as well go all the way. Oh, right. You don't do the orb. This is the equipment. You don't need that. Let's see. Oh, do we have enough? Yes, sir. Holy shit. One fucking... Oh. Ah, fuck. No, we don't. God damn. That's okay. That's right, boys and girls. At least, you know what? At least we got the fucking honor thingy done. Do we have it all? Indeed we do. Goodness. Yeah, we don't need none of that now. None of that. Yeah. Out of the way, please. Looks like we're gonna have to use this as elsewhere. I believe my buddy Budweiser said to convert them to this one's right here. Does it work? Let's see. Still need that. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. Yep. Wow, it does work. Holy shit. Oh shit, I better hurry up. Let's get this over with. It's gonna go over the budget, but that's fine. Make sure you clean this. Free coupons. You don't want to miss out on that. In this game, it actually matters. Let's see. So we got the purple PB here, level 80. What we're gonna do next is go to the Conjunto de Equipamiento Impuro, Impure Equipment Set, level 100. You can pause and see my options where I click. Okay, so we need this por refinamiento especial. You can get them for free. There's a chance of getting this for free over here daily. De Medalia. There's a slight chance, but it's not uncommon. It's not a bad drop. Since we're a lazy motherfucker, we're gonna skip that. Now where were you? I think I put you somewhere around here. There we go. Or you can be a lazy fuck and just buy it. I think it came with one of the packs. There's a 50% chance. We're gonna go with 3. Failed. Succeed. Usually want to go 3. Even if it goes 1, it won't go again because you need another one of these. As you can see. You keep going like that on every single one of them. Oh, we're gonna be lucky. Nope. Oh, okay. So you can be lazy and buy it on a Primar. And I don't think it costs that much. Yeah, it's not that much. Yeah, you're gonna cost a lot more if you're unlucky fuck. Yeah, Like I said. Wow. Do we have everything we need? Yeah, looks like it. Hmm. Am I missing something? Hold on, I'm missing something. There we go. Like, wait, hold on. There's 6 here. Okay. After we're done with the impure set, move on to the level 150 set. Oh, nope. No, we don't. Supernatural one. There we go. After you're done with the impure set, you go to the supernatural set. And then you need... Hmm. Do I even have enough of these? That's alright, boys. This is a fresh motherfucker, you know. A fresh account. No, we do not. Huh. Well, that's gonna make it hard. Because we need more of these. We don't want to buy that. We don't want to buy this. Yeah, we don't want to buy that. Huh. Oh boy. Because you buy that. Let's see how much it is. There's no way in hell you want to buy that. $2,000 per pop. No. No way. It's a waste of money. It's a waste of money. Don't do it. Um, just do your Chamber of Fate. Hope to God that it drops Crystal Room, and just wait. And just wait. Or I think you can get them from the elites. Elite drops. Let's see. There we go. Cupcake Morango. Orange. There we go. 40 of them. Let's see how lucky we did. Not bad, not bad. I'm getting good shit. $45. And with that, we can get strange energy as well as skill points. This is why I always save these little things from the elites. So useful. But I'm not sure if I have enough. If I might have enough until because we need it for the at least 60 of them. We need 60 for the level 151. Oops. Yeah, 60. Well, We can get this another day, maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. Whenever we do Chamber of Fate, but you do not want to buy this shit. I'm telling you, do not buy this over here. Do not. Okay, so let's see how much it is. Supernatural. Hopefully we can get lucky. Wow. Let's see, luckier than the last time. Hell, last time was 50%. Oh, no. It's not gonna. It's gonna be short. It's gonna be short. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be short. 3. Goodness. He's like, yeah, you're gonna buy it, motherfucker. You're gonna buy it. You're gonna buy it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Did I just. Okay. That was. I really fucked up now. Yep. That's it, boys and girls. I forgot to remove the gems of my ring and collar. Fucking unbelievable. Ah, goodness. This is what you wanna be sober when you wanna fucking do this. Yeah. This is no way. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, God. All right. Let's see this damage. And you need to be emperor. Oh, this bit is turning into an epic fail. You need to be emperor, and I lost all the gems. Hmm. All right. Have a good night, guys. See ya.